Hey guys, let's see how to set up this DZees security camera. Okay, that's the name. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, but it's written here, DZees. That's the CG6 model. Okay, the setup is pretty simple. Just grab your camera and there's a button here that you need to turn on. Then you're gonna hear some sound for the setup and you just use an app for the setup, okay? So just press the button here, turn on the camera. There we go. You're gonna hear a sound and the blue LED here. Then you just grab your cell phone and look for this app here. It's the DZees Home app. Okay, so here I found it. There's a version available for Android and also another one for iPhone if you want to use iPhone. Let me just turn it on again. I'm not sure about the battery. Perhaps I don't have battery here. Can connect a cable. See, there's this chime and this sound here for the camera setup. And I just connected the cable to make sure that I have power. There we go. And I'm gonna install this DZees Home, already installed in fact, right? So let me just click here, Home. And now you just need to connect with your account, right? I already have an account. After logging with your account, you're gonna see this screen here. You just need to add a camera. And here, just check here. I heard the sound. Next step. Found the camera already. See here, CG6. So super simple. I just choose this device. Wait for it to connect to the Wi-Fi. Still connecting. You see the LED still flashing here. Now I just select the Wi-Fi that I want the camera to connect to. That's my router's Wi-Fi. I here have a Wi-Fi for testing. Let me just insert the password here, which is a temp password. Not my real one, just for testing. There we go. Next, confirm. Now the camera is connecting.
Connection succeeded.
So there's a message. The camera says connection succeeded. I just named the camera. Let's see. Let's leave it like this. Smart camera. So device added successfully. I just skipped all the steps here and hit got it. Okay. So the camera is working. Just put in this position here so you can see some video. There's an update for the camera, so you can just update the firmware. Let me just do this later. And just check here if the camera is working. So it's connecting to the camera right now. So you can see super simple. The phone can find the camera. Just remember to have the Bluetooth enabled and also the Wi-Fi on your cell phone. And you also need to connect your cell phone to the Wi-Fi's router, okay? Because later the camera is going to use the same information to connect to your Wi-Fi. Let's connect into the camera. Let me just wait for a while. And there we go. It's working. See here, that's live. Let me just move in front of the camera and it's working pretty fine, okay? So super simple. That's the way you can set up a DZees security camera, in this case a CG6. Okay, I hope this helps. Just leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.